Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. Okay, y'all. So I'm coming to you all today with a how to make video. And the technique that I showed you all how to use a couple of weeks ago is the same technique on how to achieve this look on these items right here. I am going to show you how to make a pair of earrings. Will it be number 1? Will it be number 2? Or will it be number 3? Okay? If you chose A, that's the earring that I'm going to show y'all how to make. These earrings I call my screw earrings. I'm going to show y'all how to make and create these beautiful earrings. So if you want to see how these were made so that you can make them yourself, we're going to go ahead and get right on into this video. Here are the items that you will need in order to do this here how to make video. Now, first of all, I want to start off by saying those of you who followed me, who are following me, my super supporters, I did a video yesterday showing you all the clay that I was going to be using. And here is the clay, and I have already rolled it out and all that good stuff, okay? So you're going to need a dowel, okay? Now, this dowel I use to make my jump rings. Yes, I use this dowel to make my jump rings. You're going to need your wire cutters, your round nose pliers, and 2 fish hooks, and your choice of clay. So we're going to go ahead and get right on into this here video. 4 colors. I have the jade, I have green, I have red and yellow. Okay, I have already cut my clay. These are about 3 inches long, these strips. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to twist them just like this. And this is pretty much the same technique that I showed y'all some time ago. Twist it together. And then I'm going to roll this in a ball. So I'm going to roll it. Some clay on the table. Roll it in a ball. And I'm going to use this surface to roll my clay out. Okay? You can make look at that. Ain't that pretty? You can make so many different things with this clay. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and start rolling it out just like this. I hope you all can see because I'm not working in a real lighted area today. You see me rolling this out. Okay, we're going to make these earrings, like I said, are going to be called screws. Okay. All right. You can make it as small or as big as you would like to. Because you see me doing it like this, you don't have to make it this small. You can actually make it a little bigger, a little thicker. It's completely up to you. All right, so next thing I'm going to do, I rolled it out. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. All these beautiful colors. Once you roll it and all that with clay, y'all, you'll be amazed at how gorgeous it comes together, okay? Now I'm going to take these 2 pieces just like this, put them side by side. And I'm going to take my finger and just pinch it just like this. Okay. All right. And this is what you're going to have. And I'm going to take come up to the top, bring these two together. And then what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze the tips and you're going to start twisting it just like this. Okay. You're going to start twisting it. All right. And that's your earring. It is just that simple. You want to take your next piece and do this the same exact way. Bring these two together. Squeeze them at the top and just start twisting it. You want to make sure that you size it up with your first earring to make sure that they are the same size, okay? And here is the second one. All right, and it is just that easy, okay? The next thing you do is you put these in the oven. You put them on 275 degrees for 15 minutes, okay? All right. Okay, y'all, so here is our end result of our clay. This is what we have. Now, what I am not going to do is I'm not going to put any gloss on these because I like these just the way that they are. I like the colors. Now, the thing about it, once the clay dries, sometimes it does get darker. Okay. But I like these just the way that they are. So basically what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my jump rings. I'm going to open it up. I'm just going to slide my earring right on there, just like this. And I'm going to take a second one. Now the second one you can make smaller if you want to. It doesn't have to be big. And I'm going to slide my fish hook right on here, just like that. Close this up. Okay, so that's one. And you want to do this one the same exact way. Slide this on here. Now, you do have to make sure that the jump rings are big enough to for your earring. You have to make them a nice size so that they will stay. Listen to me, so that they will fit, y'all. Okay, so here we go. And then you got yourself a really cute pair of screw earrings. Okay. Also another thing that I do like about the clay is that it's not heavy. It's not heavy at all on the ears. Yep, not heavy at all. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, and share. I would greatly appreciate it so very much. And go make yourself plenty, plenty, plenty. I want to thank you all for watching. If this is your very first time here on this platform, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. Have a wonderful and awesome day. Happy crafting to all my beloved kings and queens. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.